Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn Chapter 6 Integers of Mathematics, Class 6. Suppose David and Mohan have started walking from 0 position in opposite directions. The steps to the right of 0 is represented by positive sign and the steps left to the 0 is represented by negative. If Mohan moves 5 steps to the right of 0, Mohan moves 5 steps to the right of 0, it can be represented as plus 5. If Mohan moves 5 steps to the right of 0, it can be represented as plus 5. If David moves 5 steps to the left of 0, it can be represented as minus 5. 8 steps to the left of 0 is represented as minus 8. And 7 steps to the right of 0 is represented as plus 7. 11 steps to the right of 0 is plus 11. 6 steps to the left of 0 is represented as minus 6. Now represent the following positions with positive or negative signs. 8 steps to the left of 0 is represented as minus 8 and 7 steps to the right of 0 is represented as plus 7. 11 steps to the right of 0 is plus 11. 11 steps to the right of 0 is plus 11 and 6 steps to the left of 0 is minus 6. These are some of the situations where we use positive and negative sign. Profit is represented by positive sign and loss is represented by negative sign. The height of a place above sea level is denoted by positive number. The height below the sea level is represented or denoted by negative number. The earnings is represented by positive number. Earnings may be shown by a negative sign. The temperature above 0 degrees centigrade is denoted by positive sign, whereas the temperature below 0 degrees centigrade is represented by negative number. Now let us learn about integers. The first numbers to be discovered were natural numbers. The first numbers to be discovered were natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to infinity. If we include 0 to the collection of natural numbers, if we include 0 to the collection of these natural numbers, we get a new collection of numbers which is known as whole numbers. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to infinity, and which is known as whole numbers. The new collection of numbers is known as whole numbers. If we put the whole numbers and negative numbers together, we get a new collection of numbers, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. up to infinity, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 up to infinity. And this new collection of numbers is known as integers. This new collection of numbers is known as integers. In this collection, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are known as positive integers, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 are known as negative integers. 0 is neither positive nor a negative. Representation of integers on a number line. Draw a line and mark some points at equal distance on it. Mark a point as 0 on it. Points to the right of 0 are positive integers. The points right to the 0 are known as positive integers and are marked as plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5 or normally or simply 1, 2, 3, etc. The points to the left of 0. The points to the left of 0 are known as negative integers and are marked as minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. In order to mark minus 6 on this line, we have to move 6 points to the left of 0. We have to move 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus 2 or positive 2, we have to move rightwards to the 0. We have to move right of the 0 for 2 points. That is 1, 2. In order to mark plus 2 or positive 2, we have to move 2 points to the right of 0. We know that 7 greater than 4, and from the number line we observe that 7 is to the right of 4. 7 is greater than 4 and 7 lies right to 4. Similarly, 4 is greater than 0. 4 is greater than 0 and 4 lies right to 0. Now, since 0 is right of minus 3, 0 is right of minus 3, 0 is greater than minus 3. Again, minus 3 is right of minus 8. So that we can say minus 3 is greater than minus 8. Thus, we see that on a number line, the number increases as we move to the right and the number decreases as we move to the left. By looking at the number line, answer the following questions. Which integers lie between minus 8 and minus 2? Which is the largest integer and the smallest integer among them? Integers lies between minus 8 and minus 2 are minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3. And minus 3 is the largest integer and minus 7 is the smallest integer. Exercise 6.1. The first Roman is write opposites of the following. Increase in weight. The opposite of increase in weight is decrease in weight. 30 kilometers north, the opposite is 30 kilometers south. 326 BC, 326 BC, opposite is 326 AD. Loss of rupees 700, opposite is profit of 700. The next Roman is represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate signs. An aeroplane is flying at a height of 2000 meter above the ground. That is positive 2000. A submarine is moving at a depth of 800 meter below the sea level. That is equal to minus 800 meter. A deposit of rupees 200. That is positive 200. D. The withdrawal of rupees 700. That is minus 700. Third Roman is represent the following numbers on a number line. First one is plus 5. That is positive 5. This is positive 5 plus 5. Second one is minus 10. Negative 10. This is negative 10. Negative 10 lies here in the number line. C is plus 8. Plus 8 here. This is positive 8. Plus 8. And negative 1. Negative 1 is here. The next is minus 6. Negative 6. This is negative 6 in the number line. The sixth Roman, in each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? The first pair is 2 and 9. 2 is here and 9 is here. So 9 is right of 2. Here 9 is right of 2. Next pair is minus 3 and minus 8. Minus 3 is right to minus 8. Minus 3 is right on the number line. 0 and minus 1. In this, minus 1 is here, 0 is here. So 0 is the number which is to the right of minus 1. Minus 11 and plus 10. Positive 10 lies here. Positive 10 lies here and minus 11 is here. 10 is the number right to minus 11. Minus 6 and plus 6. Minus 6 is here and plus positive 6 is here. So Positive 6 is the number which lies right to minus 6. 1 and minus 100. 1 lies here and minus 100 lies in this side. So 1 is the number which lies right to minus 100. Next is 7th Roman. Write all the integers between the given pairs. Write them in the increasing order. Between minus 4 and 4. These are the numbers lies in between minus 4 and 4. Those are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. The numbers lies in between minus 8 and minus 15. They are minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10 and minus 9. The numbers lies between minus 30 and minus 23 are minus 29, minus 28, minus 27, minus 26, minus 25 and minus 24. This is the end of part 1 integers. If you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.